Hi friends, today we'll learn the importance of coco peat and how to prepare it. Coco peat literally helps to increase the water holding capacity. Depending upon the quantity, collect coconut husks and store them. Pull out the fibers and dry them if possible. Cut the fibers with pair of scissors into small particles. Coco peat can store and release nutrients to plants for a long period of time. Grinding helps to separate the fibers. The fibers are on top and below you all can see the powder from which coco peat is prepared. Remove the fibers manually or you all can sieve it. While doing this process, please cover your mouth because of the dusting. Due to its great oxygenation properties, it helps to develop healthy roots and reduces root diseases. Lots of fine particles will be attached to the fiber, so you all need to remove it thoroughly. These separated fibers I use it for my plants so that it helps them to retain moisture. So generally if you go to see, I have not wasted even the fibers. Generally, coconut husk has high salt content, hence required to wash with clean water to reduce ions, which is important factor for plant growth. So soak them in water for half an hour. After half an hour, squeeze out excess water. Coco peat is fantastic sowing medium used to sow the vegetable seeds and seasonal flowers. Are the separated fibers and here our coco peat. Now dry it in the sunlight for a day. You all can use any container as per the requirement of the shape. This way I've used the separated fibers for my plant, which gives a natural beauty plus helps to retain the moisture. After drying it in the sunlight for a day, the coco peat is ready to use. It is rich in micro and macronutrients, which helps in conditioning the soil. It can either be combined with soil and manure or can be used directly. Coco-peat provides plenty of aeration and water to the plant roots, thus helping them to grow faster, stronger and disease-free. Hoping this video to be informative and knowledgeable one. Thank you for watching my video till the end.